Hello and very welcome to the third presentation of the email power machine. This man is John Thornhill. He is a top internet marketeer and he generated over $1 million in sales with his JVZoo account alone. Yes, that's right, $1 million with only one account. JVZoo is a platform where you can sell on a professional way your digital products. You can see exactly the proof in the pudding on page 7 and 8 of your ebook. So, my suggestion is, of course, that you go to your ebook to see the exact numbers of the sales. Then we can move on to the fourth presentation of the email power machine. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.